Hey, go ahead and grab it. You got keys in it? Yeah, it should be. If it ain't, drag it up here.
74 on 73, 48 from over, continue east on 40, current speeds are 92.
Force coming up behind me.
1044.
Put your hands up! Hey, right here! Right here! Oh, shit! Motherfucker! Hey, he's out here. Hey, y'all got a drone? Fuck.
648, go ahead and turning around, City on eastbound.
20, close my door, we're on foot. See, I believe he may have hit another car right before I TBI'd him. He's on foot out here in this field.
Where you at?
I'm straight out from your car. Straight out in the field from your car. Farsi, tell somebody to get on, have West Memphis get on Mountain City Road.
10-4. They getting the dog out coming down there.
Hey! They finna bring a dog out here!
Oh, come back with that dog. It's one of those before they have it. Close the streets and everything like that. Over to me, 74.
Gunner, he all black clothes. He ran straight out that way. There's a West Memphis officer out there.
How far have you been?
Just to the, about where you can see where the lights are on the ground.
West Memphis Officers got a dog too?
No, he's just on foot. He was chasing him, but he was going straight out away from you.
I'm back out south on the female that was engaging in the prostitution. Go back over there. we got me already.
Okay.
Julia, November. 1 Charlie Victor, 6 Alpha Romeo, 8 Alpha, 9 5 011.
One more time to Genesis, get you up in Infiniti G37, no return out of the Tri-State area, to the C-Bus.
Lakaya Joe.
No return.
26 to 4.
Go ahead.
Hudson said if we need that thermal drone, let him know.
Yeah, 10-4, have him come on.
Hiya, Joe.
26, are you on the phone with him?
I'm calling now.
10-4, we're here at 10, the on-ramp for Mound City, eastbound.
Jamisha Blue. Una line no Vietnam.
I didn't get a return on Jamisha Blue 81802.
74, she working a track over there.
You said possibly.
Hey, can you get one of your guys to go to Mound City Road? Can you get one of your guys to go to Mound City Road?
Asking for somebody to go to Mound City Road. Take your head on Mound City Road now.
Hey, tell him,
Stay by the track.
black male, all black clothes.
Black male, all black clothes. Black male, all black clothes.
That may be the driver. I think he hit that car when he tried to pass. He tried to pass it on the inside shoulder. I think he clipped them.
Okay.
Personnel of I-40 and the Mound City overpass.
Wait, what's your location? Get the vehicle in Sunday.
What is it?
So me and you was supposed to cross.
Yeah.
Once I come through, I was right behind you. I never saw him.
He was running straight that way, but he cut back this way because I fell right there. I mean, I'm covered.
Okay.
I fell, and he was cutting back that way, back towards this crap right here.
Okay.
I think they're tracking him.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I saw.
Hudson's on his way with his drone, so. Okay. As long as you get somebody over on Mound City Road.
I was hoping we kissed the Joker.
Yeah.
He had something reflective on it, you can see.
The shirt he had on was red and black and green, all kinds of different colors. But I could just see a silhouette running from the lights. They know who he is. I'm Steve Roberts.
Yeah. I'm O'Brien. I've met you before. This
yeah.
Good.
4 to 26. Did you get a hold of Hudson?
I wouldn't know where to go. I haven't heard back from him yet.
I want to ease back towards Mound City, I guess.
All right, yeah.
Wait.
I think that's where they're tracking to.
Yeah, I thought I saw. It looked like he had some reflective shoes or something on. I thought I saw him jump into the brush up there.
10-4. Hey, they're going north under the overpass.
We got D20 straight on.
Checking you got a good track. 26 to 40 feet. Gotta be connecting shortly.
That's his shoe.
Straight foot handle.
I didn't get to turn you the deal number.
Mississippi. First name spelled Lima Alpha, Kilo Yankee Alpha. You don't have no shoes on.
D20, he's missing a shoe.
We made it to the overpass here at Mound City. Now we're gonna hold tight with what we got.
10-4.
Let your guys know he does not have shoes on. There's other shoes right over.
Oh, wait, okay. He's completely barefoot. We found both shoes up here.
Right there at the car. Back up to the road.
Go ahead.
Are those shoes at the car or are they out in the field?
They're out in the field.
Hudson advised he's going to be 1019.
Was he the only one in the car?
No, female. I got her in my truck. We got one at large, right? One outstanding?
One outstanding driver. Black male, probably close to my height. He's about 6. He's probably 6'2" or taller.
Cars out on the track.
Yeah.
Out on the track.
Yeah, they're at the underpass.
The portion tag on there.
Did he?
I'm gonna go.
Is that your car? Did he hit you? Okay. Bar City, he did hit this other individual, this other car, before I ever got involved. He hit him trying to pass him.
1044, doing in 1016.
Sir, are you okay?
Yeah, they're good. They're good.
You're good? Okay.
Negative. You are, you know, Baptist.
Okay.
Where you stay with those shoes on?